In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HP Envi 6555e or any other similar HP models that have a screen on the left side to your Wi-Fi network. This way you'll be able to connect your phone or even your computer to this printer. So let's get started right away. Let's go over here. All right, so it's quite easy. You have to go on the menu, click menu, go down, and you're going to see settings. Click on settings. Sometimes you have to touch multiple times the screen because it does not register. But once you're here, click network, Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, so here it's blue, and then select Wi-Fi setup, okay? There's multiple options. Click on the start beside Wi-Fi setup. Wait, it will search for all networks around this printer. There may be a few. Yours should be in the list that is showing right here. If not, just scroll down until you find yours. Click on it. Click over here and type the password of your Wi-Fi network. Then you're going to press OK and submit. Press OK. And now it's trying to connect to your Wi-Fi. If it's working, well, you're going to get a green check mark. And this is it. Your printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now you may get this message, low Wi-Fi signal. It simply means that the printer is not close enough to your Wi-Fi router. It will still work, don't get me wrong. It's just that it may take a few more seconds once you want to print or scan because the connection is not the strongest one. But again, you can ignore this and simply press the OK button. And this is it. Press the home button to quit this menu. Thanks for watching. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment down below if it worked or if you had any issues, and subscribe. See you in the next video.